You're not going to believe this. I made this recipe without oven, without eggs and without yeast. In a bowl, start by adding 3/4 of cup of wet flour, 1 pinch of salt, 55 ml of milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and now just mix all up nicely. When the dough reaches that point, you can stop stirring and start to snare with your hands. Do this for about 5 minutes and add flour gradually until the dough stops sticking to your fingers. This is the ideal point of the dough. Now just take it, make a ball shape and cover it with a plastic film. Then refrigerate. I leave for 1 hour. Meanwhile, knead already cooked potatoes. After kneading, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now just mix and book next door. Now grease a board with butter, but it can also be oil, and start opening the dough. Here I'm using a roll, but you can use whatever you have at home. With the whole dough open, we will add 200 grams of mozzarella, 100 grams now and 100 grams later. Over the mozzarella, add the potato mixture with the mayonnaise. After adding the rest of the mozzarella, let's start closing by adding all the ends of the dough. Once that's done, let's turn the dough down and open with the roll again, until this filling spreads completely. We are done. Now just grease a frying pan with a little butter and then just put the stuffed bread. Now just cover and let it brown over low heat. After that, brush with a little butter and turn the dough. Repeating the same process of capping the pan and leave until golden brown on the other side. Our cheese bread and potatoes are ready. Look how amazing does it look. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.